So today we're going to do a new book. This week's book is called Chickens Aren't the Only Ones. It's by Ruth Heller. It is a book about animals that lay eggs. And we're not going to read it today. We're just going to take a look at the pictures. You can see chickens, very start. And then we see a whole bunch of birds. And now we're looking at a bunch of birds and a bunch of different kinds of eggs. They're different colors. I noticed they're different sizes and shapes. Some have like speckled dots over them. Some don't have anything at all. And then, looks like we're looking at lizards and turtles and crocodiles. And on the next page, we see dinosaurs. Everyone knows Miss Tattlebaum loves dinosaurs. On the next page, we see frogs and toads and salamanders. I know you love the salamander video. And the next page has a lot of fish. And I see some seahorses, some more fish. And the next page has some sharks and stingrays. Those are the stingrays. We see spiders and we see snails. And I'm going to stop the book right there. So here's what we know about our book so far. It's called Chickens Aren't the Only Ones, a book about animals that lay eggs. And I just showed you a bunch of pictures of animals so you might have some ideas about some animals that lay eggs. And we're going to read the whole book tomorrow. Today was just a day for looking at pictures and guessing about the types of things that we're going to see. I'm going to go over to our writing of the day. And so you can see here our writing for today. It says, draw and write about what you already know about animals that lay eggs. So, what do I already know about animals that lay eggs? I'm going to think. Well, I know that chickens can lay eggs. So I'm going to write that. I know that chickens can lay eggs. Let's see, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go in and put my lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, our first word is going to be I. You know how to write that word. It's a big capital I because it's the beginning of your sentence. It's the word I. I know. Know is a tricky word. It's one of those not fair words that has letters that don't make sense, but it's right there at the top of your page. I know, so you can go ahead and copy it right from your page. K-N-O-W. And I want you to notice I'm putting finger spaces between each of the words. No has all lowercase letters. I know that. That should be one of your sight words. You hear the and the T and the H. T, H, A, A, T, T, T. Like I said, you could try to sound that out, or you can find it right in your word wall as one of your sight words. I know that chickens, if you think this is called chickens aren't the only ones, and you can find that word right up at the top. So go ahead and copy the word chickens, C, H, I, C, chick, K, E, N, S. It's kind of a long word. So if you need to pause the video so that you can write those words down, that's fine. You don't have to write the same sentence as me. You could be writing something else, but if you are writing with me, then you can go ahead and pause and write that much. I know that chickens, we said can lay eggs, 3 more words. Can, we can sound that word out, k, k. C, k, a, n, a, k, a, n. Can. I know that chickens can lay a, there's this Y in there. I know that chickens can lay eggs. E, G, 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 eggs, S. I know that chickens can lay eggs. What do I have to put at the end of my sentence? Period. So you can look at my writing and see that I have a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. I've used lowercase letters for the rest of my lip writing. I have finger spaces in between my words, and I have a period at the end. Now I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to try to draw a chicken, and just like we practiced before, we're going to add some details. So you have your chicken. Let's see. Okay, and I'm going to put my chicken in a nest. And put him outside in the sun. Let's see, and I can label these things. I'm going to label sun, S, U, N, sun. I'm going to label the chicken. I know how to spell that because remember, my word's up here. Chicken. And I'm going to label the nest. N, E, st. You hear 2 sounds there, an S and a T. Nest. And I might even draw, some grass and label that. G-R-A-S-S. And that's all we're going to do. We'll do the rest of it tomorrow. So we're only doing the top part right now. So you have done your picture with your details, and you've done your labeling. And we will do the rest tomorrow. I'll see everyone then.